Turning 8,000 rupees into 80,000 rupees in just 30 days? Sounds like a dream, right? But क्या ये संभव है? Well, मुझे भी लगा था कि impossible है, until I tried it. And trust me, the results were shocking. Want to know how I turned $100 into $1,000 in a month? Watch till the end. शुरुआत easy नहीं थी. जब मेरे पास बस 8,000 रुपये थे, एक थॉट बार बार दिमाग में था. यार, अगर पैसा डूब गया तो? You know that fear, right? जब लगता है कि सब कुछ रिस्क पर है. It was scary, लेकिन वहीं से मैजिक शुरू होता है. रिस्क लेने का टाइम आ गया था, and I was ready to make that leap. वैसे, तुमने भी कभी सोचा है कि तुम्हारा वॉलेट का साइज बैंक बैलेंस के साथ क्यों मैच नहीं करता? बट उस फियर के साथ एक एक्साइटमेंट भी थी. What if it actually works? मैंने अपना 8,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट किया, but not in stocks, not in crypto. No risky business. I started with flipping. सुना है? It's when you buy things for cheap and sell them at a higher price. Day 1. मैंने एक second hand product खरीदा for cheap, and within 3 days, I sold it at double the price. Can you imagine the rush? पैसा आया तो मन में ये गाना बज रहा था, पैसा पैसा करती है. But I digress. Small wins started adding up. Week 2 तक, I had already crossed 20,000 rupees. हर सेल के साथ excitement और बढ़ती गई, and things got real. But here's the twist. Time was running out, and I needed to hit that 80,000 rupee mark. It was time to scale up. Strategy को change करना पड़ा. बड़े products, bigger margins, और yes, थोड़ा और risk भी लेना पड़ा. But by week 4, the results were unbelievable. Did I actually hit the 80,000 rupee goal? Or did everything collapse last minute? Yes, in the last few days, I did it. I turned 8,000 rupees into 80,000 rupees. लेकिन जो सीखा वो था, it's not about luck, it's about strategy and consistency. अगर तुम भी ये simple steps follow करोगे, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve in just 30 days. वैसे ये 80,000 रुपये काफी जल्दी खर्च भी हो गए, लेकिन वह एक दूसरे दिन की कहानी है. And speaking of challenges, ever wondered what happens if you wake up at 4:30 a.m. for 30 days? Curious? Click on this video to find out. You'll be amazed at the results.